morning to everybody. So max is not difficult. Regular practice. If practice regularly, periodical test, definitely max is very easy. So today we'll discuss about the area of triangle. Already we discussed area of the parallelogram. Exercise number 2.4, question number 4. Find the area of triangle whose vertices 3, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 3, and 4, minus 3, 1. The vertices of triangle is given. Let ABC be the triangle. 3 vertices A, B, C given. What is A? 3, minus 1, 2. 3, minus 1, 2. What is B? 1, minus 1, minus 3. 1, minus 1, minus 3. Then AC. C. 4, minus 3, 1. First you have to find out, let O be the origin. OA vector equal to 3i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector. OB vector equal to I vector minus j vector minus 3k vector. OC vector equal to 4i vector minus 3j vector plus k vector. The area of triangle ABC equal to half of AB cross BC or AB cross AC. First you have to find out AB vector. AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector I vector minus j vector minus 3k vector minus OA vector 3i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector I minus 3i minus 2i plus 0j minus 5k. Then AC vector. AC vector equal to OC vector minus OA vector. OC means 4i minus 3j plus k minus OA 3i minus j plus 2k. 4i minus 3i is I, minus 3j plus j is minus 2j, that is minus k vector. Then find out AB cross AC. AB cross AC கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா determinant I, K, K, AB ஓட value, that is minus 2, 0, minus 5, AC 1, minus 2, minus 1. Expand the determinant I into 0, minus 10, minus j vector into 2 plus 5 plus k vector into 4 minus 0. That is minus 10i minus 7j plus 4k. Then magnitude of AB cross AC. Root of minus 10 square is 100, 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16. If you add, you get 165. Then area of triangle ABC equal to half of modulus of AB cross AC value is root of 165. Therefore, root of 165 by 2. Here, so area of triangle ABC equal to root of 165 by 2 square units. So last class the parallelogram பார்த்தோம். Now triangle. Vertices கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Find OA, OB, OC from the given data. Then find out AB vector, AC vector, then AB cross AC, magnitude of AB cross AC, then area of triangle ABC equal to root of 165 by 2. So next, very important 10 mark question. That is sin A minus B. Prove that sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சம்ம நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸ் கிளாஸ்ல போட்டிருக்கோம். cos A minus B. cos A minus Bக்கு என்ன பண்ணுமோ அதே மெத்தட், அதே ப்ரொசீஜர், கடைசியில மட்டும்தான் கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும். அந்த சேஞ்ச் வரும், கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க. மற்றபடி எல்லாம் cos A minus Bல நீங்க என்ன ஒர்க் பண்ணீங்களோ அதே மெத்தடை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. cos A minus Bல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்பா, ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு சர்க்கிள், then axis, then take P and Q, any 2 points on the unit circle. O, join OP. It makes an angle with x-axis A. OQ, it makes an angle B. This angle A minus B. From P, draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. QN perpendicular to x-axis. நம்ம என்ன படம் வரைஞ்சோமோ அதை கீழே எழுத போறோம். Let P and Q be any 2 points on the unit circle with center O. P and Q make angles. The angles A and B with x-axis. Therefore, angle XOP equal to A, angle XOQ equal to B, angle QOP equal to angle XOP minus angle XOQ, that is angle QOP equal to A minus B. P and Q lies in the first quadrant. Therefore, the coordinates of P, cos A, sin A, Q, cos B, sin B. Because the coordinates of circle in any point on the circle are cos theta, r sin theta. Here it is a what type of circle? Unit circle. That's why r equal to 1. P makes an angle A. That's why cos A, sin A. Q makes angle B with x-axis. That's why cos B, sin B. Clearly, the coordinates of P and Q are P of cos A, sin A and Q of cos B, sin B. I vector and J vector are the mutually perpendicular unit vectors along x, y axis. Now first I'll consider the triangle. In triangle OPM, OP vector equal to OM vector plus MP vector. OP vector OM, OM nothing but cos A in the direction of I. That's why cos A I. MP is sin A in the direction of J vector. This is equation number 1. In triangle OQN, OQ vector equal to ON vector plus NQ vector. Same way cos BI plus sin BJ. Up to this, either cos A minus B or sin A minus B, both are same. Cos A minus B means taking dot product, sin A minus B taking cross product. Therefore, by definition, A vector cross B vector equal to modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector, sin theta n cap. Here OQ vector cross OP vector. OP cross OQ lapa OQ cross OP. Modulus of OQ vector, modulus of OP vector, sine theta. Angle between OQ and OP in the diagram A minus B. N cap perpendicular to I and J. Perpendicular to I and J is K vector. So it is a unit circle, that's why 1 sine A minus B K. Therefore, sine of A minus B K vector. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. By value, OQ vector cross OP vector equal to determinant of I, J, K, OQ, that is cos B, sin B, 0, cos A, sin A, 0, expand I vector 0 minus J vector 0 minus 0 plus K vector into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Therefore, OQ vector cross OP vector equal to K vector into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is equation number 4. From 3 and 4, OQ cross OP, left hand side equal, therefore right hand side equal. Sin of A minus B K vector equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B K vector. K cancel. So sin of A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. First draw one circle. This is what type of circle? Unit circle. P and Q be any 2 points on the unit circle. P and Q make angles AB with which axis? X axis. So angle XOP equal to A, angle XOQ equal to B, angle QOP equal to A minus B. The coordinates of P and Q are cos A, sin A, cos B, sin B, because the polar coordinates of circle are cos theta, r sin theta. Here it is a what type of circle? Unit circle, that's why r equal to 1. I and J, K are mutually perpendicular unit vector along x, y axis. I and J are mutually perpendicular unit vector along x, y axis. Triangle OPM, OP vector O to P, OM plus MP, that is cos AI plus sin AJ, same way OQ. By definition, A cross B equal to modulus A vector, modulus B vector, sin theta and cap. OQ cross OP equal to modulus OQ vector, modulus OP vector, sin A minus B K vector. This is 1 into 1 sin A minus B K vector. By value, you know how to find out OQ cross OP using determinant, OQ value, OP value, expand, get the result. Comparing these two, you get sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next example number 2.27. Example number 2.29. 2.29 example. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B க்கு என்ன பண்ணுமோ அதேதான், எந்த சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்காது, ஸ்மால் டிஃபரன்ஸ் லாஸ்ட்ல மட்டும் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும். It is a unit circle. P, Q, PM, QN, this angle A, this angle B, total angle is A plus B. Let P and Q be any 2 points on the unit circle with center O. P and Q makes angles A and B with x-axis. Angle XOP equal to A, angle XOQ equal to B, angle QOP equal to XOP plus XOQ, QOP This QOP equal to A plus B. Clearly, the coordinates of P and Q are P of cos A, comma sin A, Q of cos B, comma minus sin B. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, sin is negative. This is cos A, comma sin A. I and J are the mutually perpendicular along XY axis. So direction is opposite direction, that's why minus J cos B I minus sin B J. Remaining thing there is no changes. OP there is no change. OQ cos B I minus sin B J. So OQ cross OP instead of A minus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. So OQ cross OP is minus sin B, that is plus, 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 plus. Now sin A minus B படிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா sin A plus B is very very easy. Only one thing, Q lies in fourth quadrant, that's why cos B comma minus sin B. இங்க A minus B A plus B மாத்துங்க, sin B minus sin B மாத்துங்க. இங்க sin B of minus J then minus sin B J. A plus B, A plus B, இங்க ஒரு மைனஸ் அங்க மைனஸ் பிளஸ் மாத்தினீங்கன்னா that is this thing. So sin A minus B, sin A plus B. Already நம்ம முன்னால ஒரு 310 மார்க் பார்த்துருக்கிறோம். Altitudes of triangle are concurrent. Cos A minus B, cos A plus B. இன்னைக்கு பார்த்துருக்குது sin A minus B, sin A plus B. இந்த 5-10 மார்க் கொஸ்டின் எப்பெல்லாம் டைம் கிடைக்குதோ அப்போ டெஸ்ட் எழுதி பார்த்துருங்க. டெஸ்ட் எழுதினா மட்டும்தான் என்ன தப்பு பண்றேன்னு உங்களால் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். Without writing test, definitely you can't able to follow the mathematics class. So next, moment of a force. இந்த கான்செப்ட் இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். Exercise number 2.4, question number 8. The forces 2i vector plus 7j vector, 2i minus 5j plus 6k, minus I plus 2j minus k act at the point P whose position vectors of 4i minus 3j minus 2k. Find the moment of the resultant of three forces acting at P about the point Q whose position vectors is 6i plus j minus 3k. Question பாருங்க, there are three forces given. Question number 8. There are three forces given, F1 vector, F2 vector, F3 vector. You have to find out the resultant force. Resultant force means sum of F1 vector plus F2 vector plus F3 vector. F1 vector is 2i plus 7j. What is F2 vector? F2 vector equal to 2i minus 5j plus 6k. 2i minus 5j plus 6k. F3 vector. F3 vector equal to minus I plus 2j minus k. Minus I plus 2j minus k. The resultant force 3i plus 4j plus 5k. So F vector equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Act at a point P, that is OP vector. OP means at a point. Underline the word at a point. 4i vector minus 3j vector minus 2k vector. 4i minus 3j minus 2k. Then about the point Q, that is OQ vector equal to 6i vector plus j minus 3k. Then you have to find out R vector. Already I told clearly, R vector equal to at the vector minus about the vector. or through the vector minus about the vector. This is at the point. This is about the point. Therefore, R vector equal to at minus about. 4i vector minus 3j vector minus 2k vector minus 6i vector plus j vector minus 3k vector. 4i minus 6i is minus 2i minus 4j plus k. Then moment m vector equal to R vector cross F vector. R vector cross F vector. What is R vector? Determinant ijk. R is minus 2, minus 4, 1. F is 3, 4, 5. Expand the determinant I vector into minus 20, minus 4. Minus j vector is minus 10, minus 3 plus k vector into minus 8 plus 12. That is minus 24i plus 13j plus 4k. Minus 24i plus 13j plus 4k. Moment of a force m vector equal to minus 24i plus 13j plus 4k. Three forces கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Find the resultant force F vector. Then at a point OP vector, about OQ vector, R vector equal to at minus about. Subtract will get minus 2i minus 4j plus k, that is R vector. Moment of a force m vector equal to R cross F. Determinant ijk, expand will get m vector value. Is it clear? So cos a minus b, cos a plus b, அது முன் கிளாஸ்ல பார்த்தோம். sin a minus b, sin a plus b இப்போ பார்த்துருக்குறோம். மொமெண்ட்டும் பார்த்துட்டோம். மொமெண்ட்ல இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம் நான் ஒர்க் பண்ணி காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க. Question number 10 in your book. Find the magnitude and direction cosines of the moment about the point 1, minus 2, 3 of a force 2i plus 3j plus 6k whose line of action passes through the origin. Moment, force. What is the question number 10? Force is given. F vector equal to 2i vector plus 3j vector plus 6k vector. About the point 1, minus 2, 3. That is about the point OA vector equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Passes through the origin. Passes through the origin. Origin, therefore, R vector equal to through origin minus about. That's why minus OA vector. Through minus about. Through is origin. That's why 0 vector. Leave it minus OA vector. R vector equal to minus I plus 2j minus 3k. Then moment m vector equal to R cross F. I, j, k. R value minus 1, 2, minus 3. F value 2, 3, 6. If we expand, we'll get 21i minus 7k. You know how to expand the determinant. If we expand, we'll get this result. Therefore, 7 common 3i minus k. Magnitude of m vector, that is 7 root of 9 plus 1, that is 7 root 10. Extra என்ன question கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க, find the magnitude and direction cosines. So already we calculated magnitude, then direction cosines DCS. 21 by 7 root 10, there is no j, that's why 0. A is minus 7 by 7 root 10. That is 3 by root 10, comma 0, comma minus 1 by root 10. Is it clear? So direction cosines. Force கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, about the point கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, passes through origin. That's why R vector is minus OA vector. R vector equal to minus I plus 2j minus 3k. Find the moment m vector equal to R cross F. Determinant of ijk. R ஓட வேல்யூ எழுதுறோம், F ஓட வேல்யூ எழுதுறோம், expand பண்றீங்க, get the results. Is it clear? Anybody having doubt? ஸோ சேம் வே ட்ரை சம் நம்பர் 9. அங்க ஒன்லி மொமெண்ட் மட்டும் தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. மொமெண்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா m வெக்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு r வெக்டர் கிராஸ் f வெக்டர். r வெக்டர் கிராஸ் f வெக்டர். m வெக்டர் f கிராஸ் r னு எழுதினா தப்பு, நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. m வெக்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு r கிராஸ் f. r வெக்டர் கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா at the vector minus about the vector or through the vector minus about the vector. Is it clear?